Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best home theater systems of 2024. If you're looking to transform your living room into a cinematic experience, you won't want to miss these top picks. We'll be covering everything from sound quality to features and price. So sit back, relax, and let us help you find the perfect home theater system for your needs. Nakamichi Dragon 11.4.6. The Nakamichi Dragon 11.4.6 redefines the standards of home theater systems, seamlessly blending cutting-edge performance with effortless usability. Positioned amongst top-tier AVRs and audio processors, its price point excludes speakers and subwoofers. Encased in a sleek stainless steel construction, the Dragon houses 14 speaker drivers and 7 digital amplifiers, ensuring optimal cooling and a visually striking presence. Utilizing air motion transformer technology, it delivers precise and immersive sound reproduction. Control is intuitive through a built-in display and an aluminum brushed remote that supports Bluetooth and IR connectivity. The system's dual-angled up-firing speakers create a multi-altitude soundscape, with each amplifier dedicated to a single channel for maximum dynamic range and power output. The Dragon features sealed, airtight enclosures for optimized sound pressure levels and frequency response. Complemented by wireless quad subwoofers, it produces impactful bass that enhances the overall audio experience. Omni-motion reference surrounds and adaptive height dispersion technology contribute to a 360-degree surround bubble. While support for up to 24.1.10 channels for Dolby Atmos and 30.2 channels for DTS:X Pro ensures immersive audio immersion. Additionally, HDMI EAIC and 3 HDMI inputs provide lossless audio connectivity, and an on-screen display and remote app offer user-friendly control. With a price tag of $3,477.99, the Nakamichi Dragon 11.4.6 stands as the ultimate choice for discerning home theater enthusiasts seeking uncompromising audio excellence. Klipsch Reference Premier Series. The Klipsch Reference Premier Series represents a pinnacle in home audio innovation, boasting a host of acoustic and aesthetic enhancements that elevate the listening experience to new heights. Building upon the foundation of the award-winning Reference Premier Speaker Series, these upgrades deliver an unparalleled audio performance wrapped in an elegant package suitable for any room in your home. One of the standout features of the series is its compatibility with Dolby Atmos immersive sound technology, allowing users to easily integrate surround speakers with the Reference Premier floor standing speakers for a truly immersive audio experience. The series introduces a larger 90° x 90° silicone composite hybrid Tractrix horn, which efficiently transfers high-frequency waves into the listening area, resulting in crisper and clearer sound reproduction. The exclusive 1 LTS tweeters minimize distortion, ensuring enhanced and detailed performance that is characteristic of Klipsch's renowned sound quality. Additionally, the all-new Cerametallic woofers, advanced cabinet designs, and premium materials further enhance the audio output, delivering punchier low frequencies and cleaner bass. The incorporation of Bluetooth connectivity protocol offers seamless integration with modern devices, while refined connections and wire management solutions ensure a clutter-free setup. Priced at $2,999, the Klipsch Reference Premier Series embodies the perfect fusion of cutting-edge technology, refined aesthetics. Klipsch KD Series. Experience an unparalleled audio journey with the Klipsch KD Series, designed to elevate your movie nights, music sessions, and gaming adventures to new heights. Drawing upon 75 years of acoustic mastery, these speakers promise to deliver a cinematic sound experience that caters to every budget. Central to the KD series is the innovative Dome tweeter, seamlessly blending the advantages of horn and dome designs to ensure a smooth high-frequency response, wide dynamic range, and minimal distortion. Equipped with a unique cooling system, this tweeter enhances output, power handling, and dynamic range, enriching your listening experience with unparalleled clarity and precision. Engineered for efficiency, Klipsch KD speakers optimize energy consumption to provide hours of detailed and accurate sound reproduction, making them ideal companions for extended listening sessions. Crafted with a focus on both aesthetics and durability, the KD series boasts a stylish design that seamlessly integrates into any decor. The cabinets, reminiscent of professional movie theater speakers, are engineered to minimize vibration, ensuring a crisp and clear audio output. Completing the audio experience is the KD 10-watt subwoofer, meticulously engineered to deliver movie theater quality bass. Immersing you in every low-frequency nuance of your favorite movies and music. Priced at $2,599, the Klipsch KD Series offers unbeatable performance and value, transforming your entertainment space into a true audio sanctuary. Samsung HW-Q990D. Unlock a new realm of powerful audio with the Samsung HW-Q990D soundbar, an essential companion to elevate your entertainment experience. Exclusive to Samsung products, immerse yourself in content like never before, courtesy of cutting-edge technology. With Q Symphony, your speakers collaborate seamlessly, optimizing all audio channels to function as a unified entity. Featuring 11 front-facing speakers, 1 subwoofer, and 4 up-firing channels, the soundbar fills your space with bold, multi-channel audio, enveloping you from all angles for an immersive listening experience. Experience clutter-free surround sound with 11.1.4 Chanel True Dolby Atmos sound and wireless Dolby Atmos technology. The included up and side-firing rear speaker kit utilizes your room's architecture to create dense layers of all-around sound, ensuring powerful audio throughout. Connect effortlessly and take command with integrated voice assistants and smart services such as built-in Alexa, Chromecast, and AirPlay 2. Enjoy intelligently optimized audio for crystal-clear dialogue even at low volumes. Step into the gaming world with powerful up-firing speakers, acoustic beam technology, and robust woofers, delivering a more intuitive gaming experience complete with 3D optimized sound. Priced at $1,599.99, the Samsung HW-Q990D soundbar offers unmatched versatility and convenience, making it a must-have addition to your entertainment setup. Tap sound technology allows for seamless music streaming from your phone, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Sony HT-A9. Experience the forefront of surround sound technology with the Sony HT-A9 home theater system, offering an unparalleled audio experience. Powered by innovative 360 spatial sound mapping technology, this system delivers a multi-dimensional audio experience that extends beyond the confines of your room. With the HT-A9, immerse yourself in a 360 spatial sound experience where multiple phantom speakers surround you from all sides, creating an optimized sound field that replicates the sensation of being inside the scene. Whether it's the flutter of wings or a gust of wind, every sound is rendered with astonishing intensity, bringing movies to life in your living room. Enjoy the convenience of a flexible layout with wireless connectivity between the speakers and the control box, eliminating the need for cumbersome cables and allowing you to position the speakers anywhere in your room. Additionally, the HT-A9 features an ultra-wide listening area, ensuring that everyone in your living space enjoys the same immersive sound experience, regardless of their location. With seamless integration with Bravia XR TVs, control your audio settings effortlessly using only the TV remote and access home theater system settings directly from the TV's quick setting menu. Priced at $1,499.99, the Sony HT-A9 home theater system offers advanced technology and versatility. Thank you for tuning in to our review of the top 5 best home theater systems of 2024. We appreciate your support. Stay connected for more insightful tech content. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, and share if you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.